You ready? You turned on?
Oh yeah, baby. Behave.
Okay, we're here to solve a mystery. Many people have heard of this local urban legend. Mysterious figures appearing from nowhere, dressed in odd clothes, acting strangely, then disappearing, never to be seen again. Many people have offered up theories to explain who these figures are and where they come from.
Well, I think they're abductees. Abduction's got to be the answer. I mean, you think about the Bermuda Triangle, all those people that disappeared. People just disappear off the streets. Nobody knows where they've gone. That's what it is. They've been taken by aliens. They're going to other planets and things. I mean, you think about it. I mean, it's people. They never talk about it on television. They always say, "Well, we've got all our radio telescopes out there, and we can't hear anybody, and so there can't be any alien life out there." That's nonsense. Don't people know that for the last 100 years we've been transmitting out to space? Every time you transmit something on television, it flies off the face of the Earth and scoots out into space. Well, the nearest planets and stars to us, they must have picked up our signals by now. They know we're here. They can see us. They're coming down, they're taking the people. That's what they're doing. So just be careful, that's what I say. Watch yourself when you go out in the garden at night or when you go down the street. They could be there. They could be round the corner. You never know.
I don't think it's real. It's got to be a hologram or something. It must be a figment of imagination.
I don't know. But someone must be behind all this. This ain't no good, I tell ya.
I predict a riot.
To tell you the truth, I think these people are aliens. I mean, how else could you explain their strange behavior and their strange clothes? I mean, I bet they don't even have visas.
I think these people are time travellers. They've opened up a window in time and all sorts of people are coming through. It's the end of the world.
Oh my god, I think of their ghosts. Oh god, it's just scary.
So, I looks through my spyglass and I saw a light shining across the sky. And behind that, as I looked through the spyglass, I saw another world, an Earth on the other side of the sun. And I believe these people coming to and from that Earth.
So we're here in the general area where some of the sightings have been taking place.
What was that?
Wait! After him! Hurry up! Hurry up, hurry up! Where's he gone? I think we've lost him. Look, he went in there!
Well, it does say keep out.
Maybe we shouldn't.
Maybe we should!
Bobby, I don't know.
Basta!
Panem et circenses.
then, when I get divorced, I simply marry again. I'm bored of me now.
I'm picking up very strange vibration.
What is all this?
This doesn't make any sense.
Check this out, girls. Doesn't this remind you of something? They're back. You need to talk to them. That's your job. Who, me? Let's go. I think I'm ready for this. Excuse me. What are you doing? How is this possible? How did you? What's going on? I really don't know. It's our job to report this, though. It seriously is. They've gone.
strangest feeling. I don't think they're coming back.
But what do we do now?
I need to think. Let's come out. Let's come out for a moment, come on.
We need to call someone. We need to call everyone.
We need to get this footage to the lab.
You mean the highest bidder?
We're gonna be famous.
Let's go back in there and film them returning. You can get them to talk.
Okay.
Look, where's it gone? Excuse me. Yes. Where's all the stuff gone? Sorry, don't know.
Where's the two men?
What two men? You know, the two inventors with all the projectors and stuff.
Nobody here.
They've been making people appear from other dimensions. People have been talking about it for ages.
I've been here, 25 years. No people like that around.
Hang on a minute. There's no film in this camera. There's no film in here.
But there was when we started.
I don't believe it.
I wonder who they were.
And where they are now.
Mysterious figures come and go, from where or when, no one knows. A very strange machine, amazing things to be seen. It's a conspiracy, a mystery, a projection of fantasy. If you can see, then you'll be in Projector reality. Do they travel through time? Are they beings divine? Maybe some alien race, or a strangely familiar face. It's a conspiracy, a mystery, a projection of fantasy. If you can see, then you'll be in Projector reality. No one knows these two men. They come and go again and again. Who knows their intention with their puzzling invention? It's a conspiracy, a mystery, a projection of fantasy. If you can see, then you'll be in Projector reality. So if you have a theory, others may come to query. It's a question of dimension, too secret to mention. It's a conspiracy, a mystery, a projection of fantasy. If you can see, then you'll be in Projector reality. Projector reality. Projector reality. Projector reality.